Hey, welcome back to Turntable Guy. I'm just going to do a brief one today. I said I'd let you hear the DSS-7s with the VSX-9900. So there it is. There's the family room system. The other DSS is just around the couch there. That one's got the grill on it. This one is nude for the video. The 9900, which is right there, it has been not completely recapped, but the power board, I have a video on that, not of the recapping, but just showing you what caps you need to change for an overheating problem. And I've also recapped the surround board on it because the capacitors were absolutely melted. There was they were in such poor condition. They were actually leaking electrolyte upside down. Never seen that before. Other equipment in there is a Sony 555 ES cassette deck, that Genexa CD player, which is a Pioneer, what is it, a CD 6300, and a Pioneer TX, I think it's a 5600 tuner, I think it is. And just right now I've got my Techniques SL3 linear tracker up there just because it's nice and small. Anyway, without further ado, we're going to run some YouTube music here, which is copyright free, and hopefully this doesn't overload the speaker on the camera here. These DSSs put out a lot of bass. Here we go. Okay, not exactly my, oops, turn that off, kind of music, just something with a little bit of bass on it, just to show the performance. I'm really impressed with these things. I've been listening to them for about a week now. I've got the system up here. They're on homemade stands. I just manufacture those out of some 2x2s, and they're tilted back just about, I don't know, 15 degrees or so, just so they aim up a little bit. And yeah, they're very dynamic. They're very bright, but if you find them too bright, you can actually turn them down. There's a couple potentiometers down there. You can turn down the mid-range and the tweeters on them. And I'm sure they're going to start to break in a little bit because I replaced the foam on the woofers. But pretty impressed so far. Anyway, that's just a little quick update. Still, the turntable business is closed down right now while we're in the middle of this reno. We're getting there. Flooring's done. Just waiting for the kitchen people to come in, and hopefully we'll start doing some turntables again. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon. Bye.